In the ever-evolving world of smartphone photography, night mode has become a crucial feature for capturing stunning low-light images. The Nokia X100 Pro and Oppo Find X6 Pro have both stepped into the spotlight, each promising exceptional nighttime performance. Let's delve into this face-off, comparing their capabilities under the stars. When it comes to the Nokia X100 Pro, it rounds off its feature set with a robust camera system that shines in low light. The device utilizes advanced image processing algorithms to reduce noise and improve clarity. With its larger sensor size, expect a remarkable performance as it captures more light, enabling sharper images even in dim settings. The night mode on the X100 Pro prioritizes vibrant colors and enhanced details, resulting in photos that pop, reminiscent of a starry night sky. On the other hand, the Oppo Find X6 Pro brings its own flair to night photography. With a state-of-the-art camera equipped with multiple lenses, including an ultra-wide option, it offers flexibility in composition. Its night mode harnesses AI technology, refining images in real time to ensure minimal blur while maximizing brightness. The Find X6 Pro often impresses with its ability to deliver dynamic range, balancing highlights and shadows like an artist would on a canvas, painting the nighttime scene with precision. When it's time to actually snap those low-light shots, the user experience becomes paramount. The Nokia X100 Pro features a user-friendly interface that makes switching to night mode a breeze. You can easily adjust settings while viewing your subjects in real time. The smart autofocus ensures that your shots are not just exposed correctly, but also remain sharp, capturing fleeting moments with clarity. In contrast, the Oppo Find X6 Pro dazzles with its intuitive guidance, offering prompts for optimal settings based on the available light. It becomes an extension of your creativity, inviting you to explore unique angles and scenes after dark. Ultimately, the battle of night photography between the Nokia X100 Pro and Oppo Find X6 Pro highlights the strengths of each device. Whether you favor the Nokia's straightforward approach or the Oppo's AI-enhanced capabilities, you're assured of stunning shots that can capture the magic of the night. Like the video to show your support. Comment your thoughts on which phone impressed you the most. Hit the bell icon for the latest tech news, updates, and reviews. Subscribe to Kar Mehnat Bhai for more awesome content.